Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sohaib Zaidi and my group member name is Zain Ali. We are working on our final year project that is called Spider Robot, also known as Hexapod. We are working on this project under the supervision of Engineer Muhammad Ali. It is an electromechanical system which we are controlling via Android app wirelessly. This is the interface of our application, and I will give a brief introduction about it later. It is based on a biological design of a spider. It has 6 legs, and each leg is using 3 servo motors. Uh, so this is just like the joints of our fingers. We have designed an exploration based robot. It can access out of reach places for human beings such as nuclear radiation, earthquake debris, and minefields, etc. Pakistan faced its largest earthquake in October 2005 with a magnitude of 7.6. At that time, we were unable to discover bodies. So, in this scenario, we can equip our spider robot with a thermal camera to detect fainted bodies. Similarly, in World War II, US detonated 2 atomic bombs over the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki on August 6th and 9th. Nuclear radiation caused these places inaccessible to human beings, so our spider can access those radioactive places. For military purposes, we can also use it to defuse or detect mines. Our spider framework is made up of aluminium. The the top of the body is equipped with Arduino Uno. It is acting as a brain for our robot. It is serial communicating with the Wi-Fi module. This Wi-Fi module is called as Node MCU, and it is equipped with Wi-Fi chip that is ESP8266. They are both serial communicating with each other. When we press the button on our Android app, then Node MCU is act as a transmitter and Arduino acts as a receiver. Node MCU sends specific values to Arduino to recognize each and every button that is pressed. As our Arduino board cannot supply 18 servo motors with PWM signals, so we are using a servo driver known as PCA9685. It is acting as an extension to supply PWM to each and every joint of our spider. We are using LiPo battery, which has a built-in charging system. It is very portable and can be used for over a long period of time. We are using Arduino IDE to program our microcontroller, that is ATmega238. Following is the code. We have right to adjust each and every servo's angle. Whenever we press the button on our app, the node MCU sends the value designated to each button to Arduino. Like rotate button is assigned with the value of 4. So when this value is sent to the Arduino, we are using else and if conditions to perform the required functionalities of our spider robot. So now I will demonstrate how it will function through the app. Now whenever I press the hello button, the following functionality will be performed by the spider. And now let's press the rest button. Following is the rest position. This is when the spider will be in stationary position. Spider will stand up whenever I press this green button. Now it is in a standing position. Now for the functionality of its walking, I will press the walk button. It will move forward. Now if a user wants to rotate the spider, for example left and right, he can press this button, rotate.